On top with tori for today, Naija President Muhammadu Buhari don return back to Naija as dem don finish di Aswan forum wey Shele for Egypt. If una remember say President Buhari bin go Aswan forum with some ogbonge pipo for Naija government unto di Peace and Development Forum, di one wey Shele for Aswan, as dem give am name Aswan Forum on Peace and Sustainable Development in Africa. Special adviser to President Muhammadu Buhari on top media and publicity, Femi Adesina, na im come give tori pipo beta informate unto wetin Shele for di forum as e waka on top di collabo wey peace and deve get for Africa. E tok say dem don see say di katakata wey dey Shele for Africa must to stop as beta infrastructure deve must to enter African countries dem, and Naija don ready gidigba to give visa to pipo wey go enter di country from January 2020.
What was the purpose of the trip? It was to look at the nexus between peace, security, and development in Africa. In fact, the theme of the summit was the Africa we want. Some African leaders came together to paint a picture of the continent as they will want it by 2063, which is an African Union target. And one of the things they've said is that the guns must stop booming. Africa must stop fighting, whether inter or intra-country. The guns must stop booming. And when the guns stop booming, there must be rebuilding of destroyed infrastructure. Everything that had been devastated must be rebuilt. Africa must be rebuilt. And then there must be integration. Roads must be built, rail lines must be built between the countries. In fact, Nigeria is kicking off the process by granting visa at point of entry from January 2020. So there's the need for Africa to integrate, and that was the purpose of the summit.
E come talk on top one of the things wey dem do for the forum, the one wey be say dem talk on top women matter for Africa. As e talk say this one na ogbonge forum matter wey go help Naija matter tanda well on top policy and deve for the country.
You will see that apart from the main keynote deliveries, there were different panels on different topics. One that was very instructive was the role of women in peace building in Africa. I think it is very significant. It's a trip that's been worth the while.
Now here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today, as Naija President Muhammadu Buhari don return put for Nigeria as he don finish the Aswan forum wey Shele for Egypt. Make una come sabi say dis ogbonge and clear informate wey dey reach una so na T-Live Media na im dey knack am dey give una. And to continue to dey get dis ogbonge and sharp informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T-Live Media TV. Now fit still follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T-Live Media. And our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.